Death told the grass and the field told the flowers, the folly of man and they're seated in power. Briars told branches and leaves told the trees. It takes one song to break rich knees. Grove told the glen and the vale told the meadow. They sang the same song and they let the noise echo. Streams told the rivers and hills told the mountain. To one angry girl at the whisper of shouting, she could hear the earth, hear it screaming. Hear that hungry noise right for feeding. She could